Hello.
We are at platform once you reach 4, Valhalla.
It's construction update. We know you all love
But
these.
Tom, it's 2022, the last day of the season. Valhalla is meant to be open.
It is open. Look, let's get it up with water.
Valhalla.
Valhalla.
Wow.
Where are we?
We're in a abandoned village, which means that we are getting close to Valhalla.
I heard, I heard, I don't know about you, but Valhalla is somewhere around these parts.
I heard it is.
And now we're gonna go over to our reporter who's live on the scene at Valhalla to see if it's open.
We are here at Valhalla. It's not open. It's nothing.
Mate, do you know if Valhalla's opening or not? No? Yes. So Valhalla.
How do we get in?
Is that door? No.
No. Is it like a secret?
So of course we're here to bring you construction updates on Valhalla.
Amanda Thompson, are you in there?
So we're going to show you
Clap if you can hear me.
a V. Do you hear the updates that you come for? But the other important thing to ask in all of this is when is the fly machines can become a Viking themed ride?
Right now.
Everything will be Viking. Now, obviously, when you see fences, you know what it means, construction. And we've got some big old rocks, which has been a theme of these updates, it turns out. We love the rock and rocks. And, Austin, can you share with us what's happening over here?
There's wood.
It doesn't look great, does it, though?
It doesn't, it just doesn't.
There you go, though. That's an update. That's wood.
Here we have the Alpine Bar, but above it we have Loki's Bar,
Woo!
which is someone from Greek.
Norse, mate. Norse. No, we're keeping
okay.
it. We keep rolling.
From Norse mythology.
First time as well.
And that is where Valhalla is from.
So that means it's opening.
Oh
and
my God.
just so you know, people, if it does ever reopen, which it may never do, they do good pints.
They do.
Which is an important update.
Are they hobgoblin?
Yeah, I think we both did.
Yeah. It's alright.
Anyway,
back to Valhalla.
Now, back to Valhalla. No, wait, of course, no themed attraction is complete without its own themed benches. Austin, on a scale of 1 to 10, how bench is the bench?
I'd say about an 8. It's not very...
Not complete bench.
No. Like, this poor lad's missing in here.
Oh, it's a bit worse for her.
Yeah.
Poor lad. Can we have prayers and likes in the comments section for this poor guy, whatever he is.
Effing chaps.
Effing chaps. Merchandise is important. We have got some socks. Austin here.
Oh.
Tearing the place apart.
Just trying to be a Viking.
That's some serious sockage right there.
There are some socks.
That is socks. Brought to you by the Y.M.C.A.
There's some sort of design.
You can kind of see it.
100%.
Let's have a look around. Is there any more? What about a shield? I actually have one of these. They're really cool. But shields for Valhalla. Austin, a shield.
Oh my God, a shield?
And it can only mean one thing, can't it? Aha, we've got a shirt. Now, Austin, would you wear this shirt?
It smells.
So no. We move on. That brings us to the end of another exciting construction update.
Unfortunately, it's not open.
Now, at the end of the video, we'd just like to thank you, our sponsor, which is Amanda Thompson's Tweets and Closing Weekend.
She's absolutely amazing, banging them out. Knows how to run a company 100%.
Kept us going. So thank you, and thank you to Valhalla for a great year. Goodbye.